So let's try to complete all ICA questions. So the first question is X Limited commenced a construction contract on April 2001. Nana. So the fixed contract price agreed was 2 lakh rupees. So the company incurred 81,000 rupees in the first year, and the percentage of work completed is 45%. Nana. So out of 81,000, how much an amount received from the party? 79,000 is received, and 2,000 is either it may be a retention amount or yet to be received from the customer. Nana. So next was the cost incurred was 89,000. In the second year they incurred 89,000 for completion of rest of the work. So the extract of first we will write whatever may be the data given in the question. Nana. 1/4. Next 31st 03. Next 31st 03. What is the contract value? Nana? They said in the question 2 lakh rupees. The second year also same, no change. And the third year also same. So what is the cost incurred? First year they have incurred 81,000 rupees. In the second year they have incurred 89,000 rupees. So in the question they given the percentage of completion also. How much in the first year? 45% is completed, and the second year is 55% is completed. So now they are asking about extract of P&L and customer account. Before going to the extract, first let us do a working note regarding the calculation of the profit and loss account. So year 1, year 2. So what is the contract value? 2 lakh rupees. No. The second year also 2 lakh rupees. Next, what is the percentage of completion? 45%, 55%. Nana. So what is the revenue to be booked in the first year? 90,000 rupees. 2 lakh into 45,000, 90,000 rupees. Nana. 2 lakh into 55,000, how much? 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. Nana. So we have calculated the revenue to be booked in the first year as well as in the second year. Nana. Now we are going to do extract of profit and loss account for the first year as well as second year. So extract of profit and loss account. What you will write? Particulars amount. This is with respect to the first year. Nana. Profit and loss account as on 31st March 2001. Nana. What you will write? Revenue. How much? 90,000. So what is the total revenue? 90,000 in the first year. So if you take, this is the first year, this is the second year. Second year how much, Nana? 1,10,000 rupees. Nana. Okay. Next, cost incurred. How much, Nana? What is the cost incurred? 81,000. Here how much, Nana? 89,000 is the cost incurred for the second year. So what is the profit? 90,000 minus 81,000 rupees. How much? 9,000 is the profit for the first year. Second year is 1,10,000 minus 89,000. So 21,000 is the 21,000 is the profit for the second year. So we have completed first part of this question. Now we are going to discuss about second part, customer account. So ledger you have to prepare. First one is date, particulars, amount. Sorry. Date, particulars, amount. Next, date, particulars, amount. So as on the first day, what you will write, Nana? What is the accounting entry will come? You have to book the sales. What you will write? Customer account debit to sales account. So here, as on 31st March 2001 to sales account. How much? 90,000 rupees. So how much amount received from the party, Nana? As on 31st 03 2001. So what you will write accounting entry? Bank account debit to the customer account. So by bank account, how much we have received? 79,000 rupees, Nana. Okay, see in the question. How much received? 79,000 rupees. So what is the amount yet to be received from the party? By balance carry down, Nana. So what you will write? 90,000 minus 79,000. That is 11,000 rupees. So 90,000 rupees, 90,000 rupees. So first year have been completed successfully. In the second year, what you will write? On 1/4/2002. So to balance carry forward, how much? 11,000 rupees, Nana. How again you will write sales account at the year end? How much? 1,10,000 rupees. So nothing is specified in the question whether the payment is received or not. So we will assume that entire payment has been received from the party, Nana. So as on 31st 03 2003, what you will write, Nana? By bank account. How much, Nana? 1,21,000, Nana. Okay, this is the question. I think this is just a sample question, Nana. They won't give this simple question in the examination point of view, Nana. They may give the most difficult question, but this is a very small question. Now let's see the second question. X Limited is completed. Now we are going to complete. PQ and Associates undertakes a construction contract. Details are provided in the below, Nana. What is saying, Nana? Total contract value is 40 lakhs. Cost incurred till the date is 3 lakhs, Nana. Estimated future cost. So what is the total cost to be incurred? 30 plus 3. 33 lakhs is the total cost of this project, Nana. So work completed as of now is 10%. Maybe they used the surveyor method or physical proportion method, Nana. In the question, if they give directly how much work is completed, you should take in the given in the question. However, if they don't give in the question, you need to calculate by using percentage of cost. What is cost incurred till the date divided by cost incurred till the date plus future estimated cost, so okay. If you go that way, you will get for 11%, but in the question they have given the 10%. You should be considered the 10% only. Okay, next. The work has been started some time ago. There is an uncertainty with respect to the outcome of the contract, Nana, due to expected changes in the regulation. What he is saying, Nana, there is a the outcome of the contract is not certain, Nana. So if the outcome of the contract is not reasonably estimated, Nana, what you I said in the question, if outcome of the contract is not estimated certainly, then cost is equals to revenue need to book, Nana. Then how much cost you incurred, you should book in the expenditure portion, Nana. So what you will write in the examination, you should say AS7. As per AS7, if the outcome of the contract is not reasonably certain, then the revenue is equal to the cost incurred. So next, whatever may be the cost incurred in that year, you should be recognized in the P&L, Nana. So as per that, in the given question, the outcome of the contract is not certain, so the revenue of the contract is equals to cost, Nana. So what you will write, so revenue is equals to cost, that is 3 lakh rupees, Nana. So what is the loss? 0 rupees. Cost also 3 lakh, profit also 3 lakh, 0 rupees ho gaya. Okay, second question is completed. Here they try to apply the concept that you have learned in the concepts, Nana. So what is saying, if the outcome of the contract is certain, then you should go with the percentage of completion method that we have did in the first question, Nana. Whereas with respect to the second question, the outcome of the contract is not as certain, Nana. So cost is equals to revenue, then whatever may be the cost incurred that year, you should recognize it as an expense, Nana. So two questions have been completed. In the exam they don't give this directly, because they may give in the MCQ part, I don't know, but for question purpose they won't give this easy sums, Nana. They may ask the difficult sums only. They may combine first and two questions and they may give, Nana. So okay sir. Now the third question. X Limited started a construction contract on 1/4/2001. So what is saying, Nana, X started construction on 1/4/2001, Nana. So the contract price agreed was reimbursable cost plus 10%. What is the type of contract here, Nana? Cost plus 10% profit. So whatever may be the cost that you may incur, I should reimburse that cost as well as 10%. For suppose I incurred 10 lakh rupees cost, then I may get the profit 10 lakh into 10%, 1 lakh. Total I will get, sale price is 11 lakh in that question, Nana. The company incurred 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh rupees in the year 2002, Nana, of which cost 90,000 is reimbursable, Nana. You should use the cost plus profit percentage which is reimbursable. If it is not reimbursable, then you need not to be calculated as a form part of sales, Nana. So 90,000 is reimbursable, remaining 10,000 is not reimbursable, Nana. You will recognize it as an expense, this 10,000, but you should not consider while calculating the revenue portion, Nana. Okay, next, future there, the cost to be incurred is 5,000 rupees, Nana. It is also non reimbursable. So what is the total cost? So cost incurred till the date plus future cost, Nana. What is the cost incurred till the date? 1 lakh rupees. What is the future cost? 5,000 rupees. What will be the loss? What will be the total cost? 1 lakh 5,000 rupees, Nana. So 1 lakh 5,000 will be the total cost, Nana. What will be the revenue, Nana? Revenue is equals to cost that reimbursable plus 10% of the profit, Nana. What is the total reimbursable cost? 90,000 plus 10%. So 99,000 is the total revenue, Nana. But total cost is 1 lakh rupees. I clearly explained why. So as per 7, if you are incurring loss because of that contract, you should recognize the loss as and when you know, Nana. So what is the loss to be incurred? 1 lakh 5,000, 99,000 minus 1 lakh 5,000 rupees, Nana. So 6,000 will be the loss that you need to be booked in the first year itself, Nana. So already 1000 you are booking, Nana. How, Nana? Cost incurred during total sale price during this year is 99,000 minus what is the cost incurred in this year? 1 lakh rupees. So what will be the loss for this year? Only 1000 rupees, Nana. You should recognize this 1000 rupees as well as extra 5000 you need to be create the provision, Nana. Total loss you should recognize it in the P&L is 6000 rupees. Okay, are you understood? Yes, sir. Question number 3 is also completed. Next, Nana. I think question is missed here. No problem. We'll try to solve. So the profit and loss account with respect to the data for the year 1, Nana. Year 1 they have given fixed price is 600. So cost incurred till the date is 390. Estimated cost to complete is 260, Nana. Assuming that contract is completed in the second year itself. So what is the total cost that I am going to be incurred, Nana? 390 plus 260 rupees. How much? 650 rupees is the total cost. Now what is the total revenue? 600. So there is a loss with respect to this one. How much loss? Same with respect to the previous question only. So 50 crores is the loss. So if 50 crores is the loss, then you should recognize in the first year itself only as the provision. So they are asking about P&L, extract of the P&L. Extract of P&L. So we'll go like this. So date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount, Rabaja. So what you will write? By sales account we will write how much? No, first you should calculate the percentage of completion. What is the percentage of completion? 600 divided by 650. So almost 92% of the contract is completed, Nana. Sorry. 390 divided by 650. So 60% of the contract is completed into 600. How much? 360, Nana. So how much? 390 will be the total cost that you incurred in the first year, whereas what is the total revenue that you are booking in the books? 360 rupees, Nana. So what is the loss you will book? 30 lakhs. So what is the future loss you need to be recognized is total loss is 50 lakhs that you already booked in the books of accounts is 30 lakhs. So you need to book 20 lakhs extra loss to this year, Nana, as a provision. So I have completed this question. This is look like same with respect to the previous question, Nana. So next, MCQs given in the